Hi, welcome to this YouTube video. Today, we're going to discuss 20 ways to mastering affiliate marketing for beginners. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and flexible way to earn money online. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, these tips will help you to maximize your success as an affiliate marketer. Number 1. Choose the right niche. It's essential to choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge of. This will make it easier for you to promote the products and services that you're affiliated with. Number 2. Find the right products. Research and choose products and services that you believe in and that will provide value to your audience. Number 3. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience is key to knowing what products and services will appeal to them. Number 4. Build a website or blog. A website or blog is a great platform for promoting affiliate products and services. Number 5. Create high-quality content. Quality content will help you to build trust with your audience and increase conversions. Number 6. Use email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for reaching out to your audience and promoting your affiliate products. Number 7. Utilize social media. Social media is a great way to reach a large audience and promote your affiliate products. Number 8. Optimize for search engines. Optimize your website or blog for search engines to increase visibility and drive traffic to your site. Here are some steps to optimize a website for search engines. Keyword research. Start by researching keywords that are relevant to your business, products or services and target audience. On-page optimization. This includes optimizing the content and HTML source code of a web page. This includes optimizing title tags, header tags, meta descriptions, and URL structure. Content creation. Create high-quality, original, and relevant content that provides value to users. Regularly updating your website with new content can also help attract more visitors. Link building. Obtaining quality backlinks from other reputable websites is an important factor in determining the relevance and authority of your site. Site speed and mobile optimization. A slow-loading website can hurt your search engine rankings. Make sure your website is fast and optimized for mobile devices. Social media presence. Having a strong social media presence can help drive traffic to your website and improve your search engine rankings. Use analytics tools. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance and see how users are interacting with your site. It is important to remember that SEO is an ongoing process and not a one-time effort. It requires continuous effort and attention to stay ahead of the competition and maintain or improve your search engine rankings. Number 9. Use affiliate marketing software. There are many tools and software programs available that can help you to automate your affiliate marketing efforts and increase your earnings. Number 10. Utilize affiliate networks. Joining an affiliate network can provide you with access to a large selection of products and services to promote. Number 11. Participate in affiliate programs. Research and participate in affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche and target audience. To participate in affiliate programs, you typically need to follow these steps. Choose a product or service that you would like to promote. Find a product or service that you believe in and that you think would benefit your target audience. Find an affiliate program. Look for a company that offers an affiliate program for the product or service you have chosen. You can usually find information about these programs on the company's website. Apply to the affiliate program. Fill out an application to become an affiliate. The application will ask for information about yourself, your website or blog, and your marketing strategies. Promote the product or service. Once you have been accepted into the affiliate program, you will be given a unique affiliate link to use in your promotions. You can promote the product or service through your website, blog, social media channels, email marketing, or other marketing strategies. Earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you will earn a commission on the sale. The amount of commission you earn will vary depending on the affiliate program you are a part of. It's important to carefully read and understand the terms and conditions of each affiliate program before you join, so you know what's expected of you and what you can expect in return. Number 12. Use eye-catching graphics and images. Use eye-catching graphics and images to draw attention to your affiliate products and services. Number 13. Build relationships with other affiliates. Building relationships with other affiliates can help you to network, share tips and insights, and increase your overall success as an affiliate marketer. Number 14. Offer bonuses. Offering bonuses to your audience can increase conversions and help you to stand out from other affiliates. Number 15. Track your results. Track your results and adjust your strategies as needed to maximize your success. Number 16. Be honest and transparent. Be honest and transparent with your audience about your affiliations and the products and services you are promoting. Number 17. Provide value. Focus on providing value to your audience, and they will be more likely to trust you and make a purchase. Number 18. Keep up to date with industry trends. Stay informed about industry trends and changes, and adjust your strategies accordingly. Number 19. Continuously improve. Continuously improve your strategies and techniques to stay ahead of the competition and increase your earnings. Number 20. Stay motivated. Stay motivated and focused on your goals, and you will be successful in mastering affiliate marketing. These are 20 ways to mastering affiliate marketing for beginners. With hard work, dedication, and the right strategies, anyone can be successful as an affiliate marketer. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you found value in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.